So keeping it short, oil window and gas windows, that's the two different windows. And these are basically ranges of temperature and in some cases depth where you find dominantly oil or dominantly gas. So what we do as subsurface scientists will be to understand what we call the burial history of sediments. Of course, we already know the content of the sediment. Is it shale? Is it sand? Is it rich in organic matter? And then we do some kind of, create some kind of model to say, okay, what happened to this through time? And then figure out whether at a certain depth, will this rock at this depth, will it be within the oil window, given the temperature gradient, given the burial rate, given the content of the rock itself and everything. And with that knowledge, we're able to figure out that between the depth of 5,000, for example, to 8,000 is the oil window in this area, and deeper than that is a gas window, meaning you'll be seeing more of gas. So there are a special group of people who do all of those work, basin analysts, geochemists, they do all of those work to figure out, okay, what is the depth range where you see dominantly oil or where you see dominantly gas? And they use a lot of, inputs from knowing the rock type, the temperature, the geothermal gradients of that area, the pressure, a lot of all this information to create a model that tells you what that depth range and temperature ranges are. This is all taken into consideration in deciding whether a field or whether an asset or whether a basin, is prolific or not. This is where it all starts.